Tomorrow and Mpime World, and today kama mnavyoona huko nyuma mazingira ni ya wapi? Village, So today we have an amazing video. Tutaonesha how in this village of ours we survive, Tundeni tuanze na kuchota maji mtoni, Wacha nichukue leso yangu na kibuyu. Tunafunga kwa hivyo. Tuchukue leso na mtungi. We go. Okay, let's go. And this is how our village roads look like, If you own a car in this village, you will cry. So as you can see, our village is so green. Here we have a mango tree. Look how huge it is, Ikifika ile msimu wa maembe huwa tuna enjoy. And here we have our, what is this called? Sugarcane.
Oh, these are, I think, millet or what?
Okay.
Sorghum or millet, whichever.
And this is how our neighborhood looks like. You can see here we have an outside kitchen, and this is our neighbor's main house. I think they're not around, but we could have said hi to them. We'll say hi to them next time. So our neighbors, I think they are around. If you see the doors are open, they are around. But this is the firewood, We use this one to cook here in the village. You see? If they are dry, they are very much okay. I think this is from mango tree. And here's our neighbor. Hi! This is our outside kitchen where we used to cook. Come show them our traditional meko. So here we have our firewood, the one I've shown you outside. You see? A village in Kenya, Western Kenya specifically. We have our water for cooking ugali. What is this? Oh yeah, this is a store where we place our firewood for it to dry.
This is the kitchen set.
Yeah.
This is how it looks like.
Traditional, made from wood. You can see it's very comfortable. So when you cook your ugali, you're just like this.
Next time you need
Next
to show
time I'll
them.
show you how we cook ugali here in the village. Okay? So let's move to other places. And you see this thing here? This is where we keep our chicks and the hen. Wale kuku wadogo, those which are vulnerable. Ndo wale mwewe wasiwapate. What is it called in this nini?
It's called euri.
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 Ndo hiyo sasa. This is the main house. The compound is so clean and green. Let me show you where we used to fetch water before all this came to. Can you see these banana trees, all over? We have some there. And this side. And this side, bananas all over. So, mtu asiwadanganye ati Kenya kuko na njaa, We have food in plenty, Foods are all over. We grow on our own. Let me show you.
There is another neighborhood there.
Yeah, there's another neighborhood. And here, this is where we used to fetch water before. You could just do like this, pump, 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 then the water will flow on the other side. Huh? You use all your ugali here, all your energy. You do like this, then you place just your mtungi here. So before we used to fetch water here, but it has spoiled. My people, can you see this? When I speak that we have food in abundance, this is what I mean. You see, these are cassava plants, all over this place. Let's see. All these are cassava plantation. So food is in plenty here in the village. The only thing that we need is money. But food, it's in plenty. You see all that? How farms here look like. Apart from the cassava, from the background there is also
The sweet potatoes.
potatoes here. Ngwashe. Those are grow. You can see in matuta. So hizi ndo viazi tamu venye mnapenda, hivi ndo zinapandwanga. Then onto this other side you can see how the neighborhood looks like. Nyumba ziko karibu karibu. Like unatoka hapa, this is one neighborhood. Then there is another neighbor here, another neighbor. Just like that. Zinafuatana. But those are in some villages, ziko kando kando, but here at least watu wako pamoja pamoja vizuri. And this is how we graze our goats. Along the road. Mbuzi wao zinakula tu hizi zenye ziko karibu na barabara. But pia kuna wengine wale thieves, they take advantage of this. Wanapita wakipita nazo. Juu ziko kwa barabara wanafungua wakisonga nazo. You have to be careful. Ukifunga mbuzi kwa barabara, ukuwe unaziangalia. You see, there's another neighborhood there.
This is not even in the village. Look at the houses. Very cute houses. Beautiful ones.
Magnificent houses.
It's not even in
And
the
the way
village.
the maize looks like, it's because people have already harvested. So they're just letting the need to dry.
More cassavas here.
More cassava, more goats. You see how amazing village life is. More neighborhoods,
Very beautiful houses.
very green places.
Kunakaa hata Europe, kukaa hata Ushago.
Wanatamaningi.
Kunakaa Europe.
Wanatamani this kind of life. Though our roads, they are somehow impassable. Hey, my people. You can see the village life here. This is how they hang their clothes after washing them from the river. You can see clothes all over. We're almost to the river.
Yeah, and being a weekend, people have really washed.
Watu wameosha kuosha. So cassavas karibu na mto. Oh, I can run. People are still washing. We have found people here are still washing their clothes. Habari.
Signs of water, which means we are just...
We are almost there. You can see our roads are somehow tricky to cross. So we find the correct measurements to cross. We are almost there, guys. mom no. My people, this is where we fetch our water here in the village. You can see the government is doing some good work here. We have some fresh water flowing 24/7. Yeah. It's clean water, my friends. Huh? This is how we do it, huh?
Yes,
And it's full.
yeah, 2 minutes and it's full.
Ready? Let me take some using my hands. My people. Here we are. This is a chlorine point. Huh? You see this thing, eh? Although it is locked now, but the government puts the chlorine here. You use this stuff just like that for a 20 liters mtungi. Then you're done. That is if you don't trust that water or it's for drinking purposes. But if it's just for washing, no need for chlorine.
But generally the water is also just clean.
Yeah. So we can go home now. So after fetching it there, this is how we carry it in the village. We make something like this. There are some 2 or more ways ya kubeba hiyo maji. Then you put it on the head. Remember, this is a 20 liters. Aki my God, oh. Wow, no, this way I can't do it. Let me use this one. Since it's heavy, let me put it on my back. Oh, living in the village, it's a struggle. My friends, hey, you need an award if you stay in the village all your life. At least this I can manage. My people, come help me. I can't be a housewife in the village. Now let's go back home. What I was talking about. Look at these guys, This is called jackfruit, Mafenesi. They are found here in the village as well, And we have ingoho. This is how we wash our plates here, and we use this place here to let them dry. You see? This is our dish rack. And we dry cassava like this. Guys, we are almost there. Na ni mlima. I've even changed position of carrying the water. I've made so many stops along the way, and here we are almost. We are here now. We are home. What? Let me put it down. Oh. I need to rest. Easy. Life in this village is hectic. You have seen the way I've fallen down here. So my water is here. Guys, thank you for your support. Kindly like, comment under this video. What are your views? Do you like more of this? Ama tutafutane na content ingine. So I'm grateful. Thank you so much for your support. Kindly like this video, comment, share with your friends and friends of friends. Let's watch out for part 2 of village life. Karibuni sana. Next video mutege.